What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to make your laptop or desktop's Wi-Fi signal faster on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So this is mostly obviously applicable for your laptop, but if your desktop has the Wi-Fi cable or the component, I forgot what it's called, installed into it, you can obviously do this for that as well. Now, all you need to do, it's a very relatively quick tutorial, is go to your search bar and type in network until you see view network connections pop up. In here, you're going to right click into the Wi-Fi section and go to properties. In here, you don't need to do anything, but you're going to just, and you can see the dual band wireless is there because my desktop actually has it, but I personally use Ethernet. But all you need to do is once you're in here, you want to click into the configure button. In here, you want to click into where it says power management and make sure this is not checked. It's basically unchecked because if you have it checked, it allows the computer to turn off the device to save power, because this is essentially kind of like, it's a weird thing that Windows does. It just kind of lowers the usage, if you want to call it, or the power or whatever. It essentially ends up making it slower. So you want to basically have that turned off. Press OK, restart your computer. You should be good to go and have significantly better or faster Wi-Fi speed or signals than before. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please pass it on. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.